Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We do all things beauty related here: tutorials, reviews, some lifestyle things, a lot of unboxings, and subscription box spoilers. So stick around, check out the video, and if you like it, hit subscribe before you leave. Today we're going to be testing out an eyebrow stamp. So I've seen a lot of these going around on TikTok. I think Michaela, she does a lot of TikTok things. She was one of the first, if not the first, that I saw do it, and it kind of exploded. So I've seen a couple of others do it as well. Theirs though is like $25 to $30 or more range. So I thought I would look up a cheaper version of it and give it a try for you guys, and let's see how it works. So this one I got was from Amazon. It was $7.99. I'll link it below in case you end up wanting to try it. It's the brand of it is weird, but it's IBCCC is the brand, and it just says it's their eyebrow stamp. It's perfect eyebrow stamp kit to instantly color and shape your brows. And the kit includes an eyebrow stamp, 2 spiral eyebrow brushes, and 10 eyebrow stencils. There's what the packaging of this one looks like. That brow there looks nice, so if I could get something like that, I'd be happy, but we'll see. With 6 most popular customized shape stencils, which suitable for 99% of people, help everyone to get a pair of symmetrical and satisfaction brows quickly. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here first. It's the 2 spoolies there. Then we have the eyebrow stencils. I'm going to pack like that. And then I'm guessing this is the stamp product. Oh, wow, I kind of opened it upside down. Okay, so theirs has the powder inside here. I don't know if you can see it very well. Don't know about this color. It looks kind of reddish. I thought I ordered like soft brown or something. Let's see. Does it even tell me? It does not. But I will double check that and I'll leave it in the notes below. I'm pretty sure I ordered what they called soft brown. But here's the stamp. So as you can see, it comes already with some product on it where it kind of goes in together when it's packaged up. As far as the instructions, it says how to use. Step 1, select the appropriate eyebrow stencil and align it to the position you want according to the grid line. Use the eyebrow stamp to pat the vacant part of the stencil gently, starting from the tail of eyebrow until you get the satisfying results. Starting from the tail, okay. Wipe off powder from the stencil, and then flip the eyebrow stencil over and repeat the above steps on your other brow. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and I guess we'll start with the right side. So just going to pin my bangs back here out of the way. See what shape we want to do. I think I'm going to go with the one that they call classic. So it comes with the middle part already in there. You got to kind of take it out, I guess. So let's see. Let's test it and just be sure how it lines up. Yeah, I think that one should work. Let's see. I'm so nervous. If it didn't work, it's gonna ruin all my makeup. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should have did it before my foundation, but I guess that's about right. I hope so. So it said start from the tail. Oh wow, this is so red. I don't know, guys, about the color. We'll see. Let me dip it in there again. So now let's move it and see what we got. This color is more like auburn, but aside from that, I kind of like the shape. I think we could maybe make it work. Let's see what we can do with a spoolie really quick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is red. Let me see here. What can I do to try to fix this? Can maybe help it with the pencil. I do like the arch it gave, but the color is way off. Oh no. I actually got an idea. So I have the Kristen Dominique Transition palette here. What I'm gonna do is take one of these shades. Let's try Mocha. I'm gonna wipe this off and find something to wipe this on. Let's see if we can help the color some. I mean, I think the product's really good, just the color is way off. So let's see what this does. Helped. You can still definitely see the undertone. It looks much better like that. So to keep it consistent, I'm just going to do the same steps on the other side because I don't want to have two totally different looking brows today. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and then just dunk back into the powder here. This is kind of a tricky part of it though, to make sure you have them lined up. So let's hope we can do that. Definitely going to have to fix my foundation after this. What happened there? Does not look like the other side. Probably just was not holding it right. Really hard to hold it. I don't know. It'll have to work. Go back into the Mocha shade in the Kristen Dominique palette. Well, I think that was more user error, not holding it just right. So let's go in with the pencil. I really do like the arch it gives, so a lot of the like shaping work out. All I'm really doing is, you know, defining the top of it, the front I should say. Now right here it did get a little crazy, I guess, where I didn't line it up just right the second go around, but let's see if we can wipe some of that off here. I think that helped a little bit. What I'm going to do is actually take some foundation powder and kind of go around the edges to clean them up a bit, especially on the left side here. Didn't line it up quite that well. So let's see if we can just kind of cover that up a little. Over here, I don't know. I mean, it's not too bad, to be honest. If the color was right, I'm sure it would have looked a lot better. But this color, no, it's way too warm, way too warm. But I am digging the arch. So usually I don't have that great of an arch. I have really thin eyebrows, just like really thin hair. I think that I will try another color. So let me go into my Amazon really quick and see what color I got and what colors they have. Oh, and I did forget to mention, guys, this one does claim it's waterproof, just like the big ones that are going around that are like 3 and 4 times the price of this one. So I ordered light brown. That's what this shade was supposed to be. This is definitely more of like an auburn brown or maybe warm brown. To me, it's just not what I consider light brown. Usually I go with like more of a taupe color for my eyebrows. They do have a dark brown, maybe too dark for me. And then they have a natural brown. I'm thinking that might work better. Natural brown. And that may have been my fault because I don't remember looking at these pictures, but so they have the photos there, and if you look at it, the light brown in the picture, I don't know if you can really tell on camera with the lights glaring back, but it does have like a red tint to it, so that's partly my fault. The natural brown still has a little bit of a red tint, it looks like, so I may actually go with the dark brown. Thinking that's where it would be for me because it definitely wouldn't be, you know, black. So, and I lied. And what's weird, the light brown, dark brown are $7.99. The natural brown is $6.99. That's strange, but okay. So if you're like me and you've been seeing these go around and you've been intrigued by them and you want to see how they work for you, you may want to check this one out. It's pretty affordable, and if you do your due diligence, unlike me, and you actually look at the pictures, you'll see that this shade has a red tint to it. But hey, I think that it ended up okay in the end. I mean, there's still definitely a red tint there, but after finagling it a little bit and using the handy dandy transition palette, which comes in use for a lot of things, we made it work a little better. So I think I will use it again, but I'm definitely going to, I may even, instead of using this, if I don't need like a waterproof thing for that day, if I'm not going to be like sweating or swimming or something, you could definitely use the stamp and the stencils with maybe another brow powder you have, or an eyeshadow palette like this one. So I think it was fun to try, and I'll definitely be using it again, just because I do struggle with trying to get like a nice arch freehand. I'm just not that good at that type of thing. Eyebrow shaping, eyeliner, as far as liquid liner, just not my things in the makeup world. That those are not my strong points. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any other suggestions like this for products to try, definitely leave a comment below and let us know. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. Thank you for your support on my channel, guys. It doesn't go unnoticed. I will see you in the next one.